Hey guys, welcome back to 90 Seconds with Chris. Today we're going to talk about stock splits. What is a stock split? It's simply when a public company decides to increase or decrease the number of outstanding shares by combining or dividing existing shares. There are two types of stock splits, namely a conventional split and a reverse split. In the case of a conventional split, this is also known as a forward split, and it's simply when a company decides to increase its existing outstanding shares by dividing the current shares into more shares. In this instance, the number of shares increases, but the price of each share decreases proportionally so that the average value of the company stays relatively the same. Back to my bakery example. I needed $10,000 for startup costs, but I only had $2,000 to put down, so I had to raise the difference of $8,000. I raised this by selling 8 shares to 8 investors at $1,000 per share. However, this means that the price of each share is going to have to be half as much as what it was before the stock split. After the split, the bakery is going to have a total of 16 outstanding shares, but each share is now going to be valued at $500 per share. Once you do the math, this calculates to a bakery that is still worth $8,000. Think of this like cutting up a pizza. Regardless of if you cut it in 4 slices or 8 slices, it's still going to be the same amount of pizza. A forward split is typically done when the shares of a company grow so high that most investors can't afford it. So this reduction in price makes it more affordable to investors like myself. On the other hand, a reverse split is when a company combines its existing outstanding shares to result into less number of outstanding shares. In this scenario, the number of shares decreases, however, the price of each share increases so that the value of the company relatively stays the same. This is typically done by struggling companies to avoid the listing from the stock exchange, so they artificially inflate their share price so they can stay above water. That's it for the video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.